Dr. D is an average kid, and no one understands. Miss Sacco and Miss Lever's always giving him commands.
Let's look at this question.
All right, time to get serious. Today on the Dr. D show, we're going to be talking about acquired immunity. But what is acquired immunity? This is the immunity that develops after exposure to a suitable agent, as by an attack of a disease or by an injection of an antigen.
You are under attack. Billions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi are trying to make you their home. Still, our bodies have developed a super complex little army with guards, soldiers, intelligence, weapons factories, and communicators to protect you from, dying.
Acquired immunity is based on two things. One, being humoral immune responses, which secretes antibodies that circulate in the blood and lymph. The second being cell-mediated immune response, which destroys the target cells. Humoral and cell-mediated immune responses can't do the jobs themselves. So what do? Well, they activate cells to help them get the job done. Helper T cells respond to nearly all antigens. However, they do not directly kill infected cells. Helper T cells go ahead and activate cytotoxic T cells to attack infected cells, or they stimulate B cells, which secrete antibodies.
Several different kinds of T cells, but the two you really have to know about are helper Ts and cytotoxic cells. Helper Ts themselves can't kill, but they can activate cells that do, and they help call the shots for the whole adaptive immune response. Meanwhile, cytotoxic cells are the ones that actually do the killing.
But Dr. D, what's the role of antibodies in immunity? Well, Teddy, antibodies bind to the surface protein of a virus or bacterium, blocking pathogens' ability to affect the host cell. Aw, thanks, Dr. D. You're the best. There are 5 antibody classes. IgM is the first Ig class produced after initial exposure to an antigen. IgG is the most abundant Ig class in blood. IgA is present in secretions such as tears, saliva, and mucus. IgE is present in blood at low concentrations. IgD is present primarily on surface of B cells that have not been exposed to any antigens. What is active and passive immunity? Well, active immunity refers to the process of exposing the body to an antigen to generate an adaptive immune response. Passive immunity refers to the process of providing IgG antibodies to protect against infection. A distinct type of immunity results when the IgG antibodies of a pregnant woman cross the placenta to her fetus. The transferred antibodies are poised to immediately help destroy any pathogens for which they are specific. This protection is called passive immunity. But Dr. D, what is immune rejection? Well, Teddy, it's when like pathogen cells from another person can be recognized and attacked by immune defenses. So, let's say there was a skin transplant from one person to a genetically non-identical person. The skin will look healthy for a week or so, but it will then be destroyed or rejected by the receptor's immune response. All right. Thank you for watching the Dr. D show today. Got a surprise for y'all. If you like and subscribe, you get a chance to win one of these bad boys.